Presenting Marshall Major 4 Wireless Bluetooth on-ear headphone. The available colors are black and brown. This headphone delivers 80 plus solid hours of wireless playtime with quick charge capability. In addition to that, it offers 15 hours of playtime in just 15 minutes of charge. The custom-tuned dynamic drivers deliver roaring bass, smooth mids and brilliant treble for a rich, unrivaled sound. The multi-directional control knob lets you control your music and phone functionality with ease. Furthermore, the improved ergonomic design along with new ear cushions, 3D hinges and straight-fit headband makes it really comfortable to use.